Today we're going to be modifying my M3 and installing some new Euro spec mirrors. The only reason for this modification is to eliminate blind spots on my car, which I completely hate and are super annoying to have. This install is super easy to do and takes about 1 minute per side on the car if you're not having any issues with it. And I think that's enough talking. Let's get into the install. So we're going to be taking this mirror off, and the way we're going to be doing that is by unclipping the mirror at the bottom right here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but we're going to be using a pick tool, and we're going to move this little clip to the right. So just listen for the click. There we go. So now it's unclipped, and now we're going to be using, what's this?
Pry bar? A little plastic pry.
It's a plastic crowbar. This crowbar. We're gonna be opening this up right now. So what you want to do is move this to the top, kind of pry it in. Ugh. Don't break the mirror. That's the easiest way to get it off, but it. So it has an adhesive on the backing as well, so you have to pull on it, but be gentle not to break anything. Why did the other one come off so easy? Of course, when you're filming it, it doesn't want to come off.
Yank it out, you
I mean, if you tell me, I will do it. Oh, this makes it seem so unprofessional. Are you kidding me? There we go.
No, I'd never instigate.
Okay.
But,
right.
So what happened?
What happened? Don't worry about it. Nothing happened. Let's get back to, hey, over here. Hey, stop. Stop.
You know.
You can't even see. You can't even tell. Nothing happened. Alright, so this one came off a little bit trickier than the right side did because somebody put some glue or something in here, so this thing was not fully delatching. So we kind of tore something off the mirror, but it's back on, so it doesn't matter. Nothing happened. So this is the latch I was talking about right here. So this is what it's gonna look like from behind, and then you want to just twist it, which would be to the right. This way. So yeah, just twist it and then it should pop off, but as you can see, this one gets stuck and it doesn't want to come off nicely. So just be careful you don't rip off your mirror attachment. Alright, another thing is this mirror has the heating element on the outer side, and on the new mirror it's going to be on the inside. So what we have to do is move these wires to this side, and most people say you can't reattach the heating element, but you just simply have to tug the wires over and you're gonna be set. Alright, there we go. So now you can attach the wires in this position where the new mirror heating element is. So don't listen to the reviews of everybody saying you can't attach it, you just have to move the wires to that side. Alright, let's take out the new mirrors. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. The heating element is on this side, and on the other one was on that side. So it's pretty easy. It doesn't have the same mechanism as the other one, so you just pop these clips into this portion of the mirror. Hello, over here.
Oh, whoops.
Into this portion of the mirror. You gotta show the people what I'm talking about. Into this portion, and then there's nothing else you have to do. There's no like clicking or anything like that. So we clip that one in, we clip this one in. So now you just want to make sure that these clips right here align with this when you're pushing it in, and it should be easy. There we go. That's it. It's fully clipped in. Now we just have to adjust the mirror, and we're going to test out to see the difference between OEM and the Euro spec with the blind spot. Looking at these two images, you can see why I installed these new mirrors and how much more visibility you get out of them compared to the original